There are a number of reasons as to why you might wish to schedule to send an email at a later time or even a later date. You might be dealing with different time zones. You could be working back late one evening and you don't wish your audience to feel bad that they have received the email and haven't responded back in a prompt manner. Or you could be wanting to coincide the email with a special event like you see here, such as a graduation day, or it could even be a wedding anniversary. Whatever the situation, scheduling an email can be a useful tool, and we'll show you how to do this. It's quicker and easier than you think. Now, there are two ways in which you can do this. You can go up to your Options tab and open that ribbon up there, and you'll see an option there to schedule send. So you can simply click that and it will give you the options to schedule at a later date. The other way, which is somewhat easier, is to go to the drop-down menu to open the send options, and you'll see schedule send, and it opens the same box with those two default options as well as a custom time. So if you want to select a custom time, simply click on the text there for custom time. And in this example, we might try and schedule the send for 5 o'clock this afternoon. And then you click send, and the email goes off into its sending process. Now you might wonder, where has that email gone to? Well, to access that email, go to your drafts and notice here that we have the scheduled email there, classified as scheduled. So if you wish to make some adjustments to it, you can go about doing that, and you can even click cancel send there. So very, very useful, quick and easy way to schedule at a time of your choosing. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe or comment, and happy emailing.